Hello everyone and welcome in Source Code Planet. This is the last episode of Making Magic Zoom web app. As you may notice, the loop canvas is empty unless when the user moves the mouse over the first image. And I think it doesn't make sense to leave it like that. I think two words in the middle will make it clear that the user is not zooming. Let's add a div element that says zoom in. And position it right above the loop canvas. The text should be in the center of the canvas. A comic large size font will look amazing. I think we can make it more attractive. Oh, mamma mia! That looks really amazing. But we should hide that text whenever the user moves the mouse over the image. Here it is. Let's check everything works fine. Okay, that's it. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestions, I would like you to write them in the comments section. Thank you for watching and see you in another project.